Hello and welcome back to TA for Traders. It's Tuesday the 29th of August and I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we'll be looking at the Dow Jones. A lot has happened in the markets over the last 2-3 weeks whilst we've been away. The Dow Jones has now started to drift. The long-term uptrend does remain in place, but we do expect the short-term support from the 50-day and from the low of the 21st of August to be tested. Let's look at the charts. So here we have the daily. So each bar, each candle represents 1 day's trade. You can see that over the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we've created a downtrend. That's characterized by a pattern of lower highs and lower lows. We have come to the critical level of the rising 50-day moving average. You can see that on the 21st of August this gave the support, the lower boundary of the downtrend, and we did have a short-term bounce, so it will be a positive influence today. But given what's happened with the missile launch from North Korea, one would expect that support to not hold initially today, and we will be probably testing the support from the 21st of August, which is around about the 21,588 level. Other characteristics from this chart are that the RSI is also in a downtrend. It's also below 50 at 44.51, so is indicative of negative momentum, and also the MACD are tracking down. In fact, the MACD started its sell signal virtually on the turn on that low day when they diverged to the downside. This still could be a flag in a bull trend. Be aware of that. However, I would see it at the moment, as I said, as a downtrend and expect a move down to the lower boundary. On the longer term picture, here not looking as bad. The uptrend remains in place. Yes, we've got this consolidation, but it's not affecting the trend at the moment. That would need really a fall down towards the support of this 20-week moving average, which is the yellow line, and that's at 21,367. RSI here still well above 50 at 64, so not showing negative momentum, although it is moving down, so be aware of that. Keep your eye on it. It's not yet back below the lows that we saw back in April or May, but if it does go back below those levels, which would be a move below 62, just keep an eye on it, because that will start to indicate some negative momentum, but really it's not a concern until we go below 50. And also the MACD, they're flatlining, but just starting to see the short term diverge below the longer term. On the shorter term picture here, looking at the 4 hour, and you can see that we're coming back to this support, as I said, 21st of August, 21,588, and that does look critical. We've got the 20 and 50-day moving averages both moving down, will give resistance to the upside. They're just below 21,800. The 200 on this 4 hour is still moving upwards, so not all negative from the moving averages. The RSI again indicating negative momentum, down at 39.1 and in a downtrend, and the MACD also has flagged a sell signal as the short term is below the longer term. So here really one would expect that support to be tested, and then below there the next support is seen at the 21, just below 21,500. Okay, looking at the support resistance levels, and looking at the supports, which are obviously more key, that 21st of August, as I've mentioned, the exact figure is 21,588.8, with second support 21,366.3. with any resistance on any upside, 21,894 from the 20-day, and then 22,082, which was the high of the 16th of August. So that's been TA for traders, having a look at the Dow-Jones. Let's clarify the key points. So we're approaching key support and expect those to be tested. The negative momentum is building. On the moving averages, the 20 days rolling down, and we're at the support of the 50-day. And maybe for the longer term, the uptrend does remain in place and will do so until we start to test that 20-week moving average. Many thanks for watching the video I've just released. Also, many thanks for the new subscribers to my YouTube channel. Sorry there's been a bit of a gap until you've seen your first video. But thanks for subscribing. Anybody who's not a subscriber, please do subscribe, then you get email alerts when I do more videos. I'm now back, so we'll be getting regular TA for Trader videos. Many thanks for watching, and this was the TA for Traders 29th of August, and it's Nigel Croft. Thank you.